Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Meghalaya Film Association hapok kajingalam jong President uba Commander Shangpliang haka pratrik urumpang arajar arpulai kala pelat Paidbah yaka website jong association bar kumjuru yaw logo jong seng haka jingalang kabla long Don Bosco Youth Center laim kra Shillong haka bala sakhi lang da Regional Director jong ICCR Umunik Singh uba longkum ukongsan rengkar kajing sakhi lang jong General Secretary ka kong Lucky di Kharsati bar kiwe nakalian jong ba Commander Shangpliang ula pentip baka association kan sepelong yaka Meghalaya International Film Festival haka khat Sautrik haduk khat pratrik urumpang arajar arpulai ha State Central Library Shillong.
Meghalaya International Film Festival that to begin from 14 to 18 March 2023. We are unveiling now the logo, the official logo for the festival. Very nice.
Okay. Turun down a little bit. Back.
Oh, very nice. Oh.
Ini juga logo buat website, official website juga First International Film Festival.
Oh, okay. There's all the content.
Mari, Mazima. Story about the football player. Kajit hu jo ka festival kalong pi namal ba kan ingishim ba kan industry ke jungi kan film making ke jungi kan dei koi na industry ka bala ban aikam aijam yaki samla ke jungi kamtam lai na ka por ga jukran ba ha ka kurdu kam kurdu jam menta yu I ki samla ki la pelong wali jungi ki rega jugong ba wat la ka government ka pendapot ya baro ki post ki badan ha ki department per kat nomor ki banyo ka yang ini scam pakai tap pakai lak ngut, dari kibanyo long dari hajar ngut. Nak kata tahu kan nomla berpelong ya kisamla kiba donkam ban aikam ngut harwat lah dekat government ka pendapot ya baro ki vacancy post. Tikane kawai ka karkhana national film kane kawai ni kilak ka ban aikam ajam ni kum kisamla.
Since I want to say because since April can even one page kini film make time to come and watch because kini films film yo commercial films. And these films, these are mostly films are based on true stories, and they are wonderfully made by the very big international filmmakers in the world. So, kalau one film festival, hadu hasinaw ng pay. I mean, why miss the opportunity?
Meghalaya International First Film Festival. Since I was also in the jury, I could know that there are many beautiful films, in the line, in the pipeline, which Makini was saying, and every film is worthwhile seeing. Every film is worthwhile learning.